дырочка. Вот.
And drill.
And drill. No, it's
So you
not,
can turn the whole piece on a turning machine. Very difficult.
Yes, very thin. Вот.
Very thin and wobble.
Yes, yes.
Wow,
No, it's not very good. What its profile? What it's? Yes. More big than it's.
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. On this, да. What its detail? Yes. What it's? Huh? Understand. And after drill, what it's and it's what it's. Yes, understand. And connect. Yes, and what it's. Variant, да? When its detail have difficult form, да? What it's done? Yes, understand. Huh? What it's, да?
Yeah, that's difficult.
Да. What it's very good. This detail, what made one detail, yes, and what this detail.
Two details.
What it's, yes.
Small.
Да. And the connect and.
So this
Very good.
this detail turning machine.
Yes.
Turning
What
machine.
it's more better. What it's.
Or on this device, yeah, turning machine.
Very small detail.
Sorry, this anetto, Dr. Michael.
Yes.
So you can use this to hold these small details rather than the turning machine and try and shape them. This is essentially a lathe, remember, because when it's stuck through there and you turn it on, the piece can turn.
Good. Made this detail from many detail. Да? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, if it's going to be if it's going to be a small detail, he suggested that you make the detail from other smaller details and connect them. Yeah. So one detail, this will be made from 4 or 5. If it's a big detail, you can just turn it all on the machine at once. But he keeps emphasising it's a case of opening your fancy. What he means by that is using your imagination to try and come up with different ways to create these details. Very good, Dr. Michael. I think now we're going to be looking at the cannon. This is I think one of the last details in metal that we're going to be looking at. He's measuring different.
What it's? 6,5.
Okay, he's just measuring from the plans, and he's measured the tip of the cannon. I don't know if you can get around here.
6 millimeters.
And he's transferring that to a piece of paper.
It's a plan for look. What is? Yes. On this 5, then допустим 5, yes, 1, 2, 3, yes, 1, 2, yes, там 3. Так, what is distance 25, да, 25, это 10, это 13, эта часть у нас 5, вот это 5, да?
Okay, so he's measuring the different lengths of the components on this cannon.
Yes. Это 5, да?
Okay, this is our cannon on our plans. What Dr. Michael has done is he's measured using a ruler the distances between the various points on this cannon, including these vertical marks, and he's transferred them to the drawing here. So he's got a plan of the actual the size that's required for the model. If you look up, this is the front of the gun. 4 is the inside, 6 is the maximum. So 6 is that point to that point, whereas 4 is the actual caliber, the inside of the barrel. And you can see those measurements here, along with all the other measurements. Oh, no good or yeah?
Yes.
Oh, that's because
I not have bronze this size.
Bronze good?
Bronze, brass.
Bronze, brass.
What is your gun we made?
Yeah. What is this metal? What metal?
It's aluminium.
Aluminium.
Yes.
No problem for machine aluminium?
Yes, no, it's not good metal. It's not
Good for machine or niet?
for machine. Yes.
No
yes,
problem.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
sorry, Dr. Michael.
Ага.
I'll leave this.
Сейчас. Теперь вот now. Сейчас. Center. What? Without very.
Now, do you want me to
Сейчас,
get...
one more. Да, сейчас конус.
No good.
No, it's no problem now. Yes.
Yeah, we need... Maybe Alex Dobrenko, eto.
Yes, yes. What is? Ключ. What is?
This is important. Okay, so he's got the piece of aluminium. Remember, ideally using brass or bronze for this. He's drilled a small hole in the end and now he's putting it on this piece here to balance it.
It's good. This is it. I cut.
Cut?
Yes.
He's just cutting the excess aluminium that's sticking out. He's doing that so I can sit down in this area. Very nice of a true gentleman.
Yes, так. I not have blade.
Понимаю.
It's Alex.
Alex has everything.
Yes. Alex.
I wonder if I'll let this device on the aeroplane.
Yes. Nine millimeters maximum. Our gun.
Maximum width 9mm. Feel me? Speed set to about 1500.
What is?
Automatic. He's now selected automatic. Automatic pilot. Automatic good. Make coffee, come back.
No.
And then
No coffee.
good. Now the length is 68mm.
Так. Must be 9.
control. So he's now measuring the diameter. Remember, the maximum diameter of this cannon is 9 millimeters from the plans. So, ooh, very small, very small. You may use this here.
Yes.
Yeah.
I made what this
Aha.
and control.
And control.
Yes.
He's now just done a small section and measured. He's happy with that, so he'll go through the rest of it.
What is this?
Good practice.
It's good, it's
Me lazy.
I have the protector.
Okay.
Так, let's begin. Так, ага, 2 и 4.
So the width of the blade he's measuring?
Да. Значит, what is the distance? 1 millimeters, 6 millimeters, yes? Сейчас я сделаю вот так. О, yes? Вот так. Так, 0.
Okay, so he's now zeroing the machine.
Ага. Так, раз, 2,
3, 4, 5,
6.
6.
Yes? Yes.
6 millimeters.
6 millimeters. Так. Ага. 6
Control.
millimeters. Yes? Yes.
Eto, Dr. Michael?
What, yes?
Yeah.
Understand? Huh?
Eto.
Uh-huh.
Here, Dr. Michael.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh. What is?
He's doing the front part of the cannon that actually angles inwards. He's measured 6 millimeters using the tools here. He's zeroed them.
Сейчас он.
These dials.
6. Ага. Вот it's. Тут у нас 2 и 4. Сейчас. 1. What is our distance?
He's factoring in the width of that blade as well.
0, да? And 1 millimeter. What is 1?
Now 1 millimeter, the thickness of the...
Yes. What is? Good.
He moved in 6 millimeters, which was this part of the cannon. Now he's made a rim of 1 millimeter, which is that one. And I'll look at the plans. This is the 6 millimeters, and then that little lip you can see is the 1 millimeter that he's just left. And now he's working on this side of the lip, this right hand side onwards.
What is? It's more.
And he's now measuring the distance from one lip to the next lip, and it's 25.
Yes.
25 millimeters. So he's moving across the next lip. And this, remember, is a 1 millimeter wide lip from the plans. That 1 millimeter is measured from the plans.
Not 1 millimeter. Yes.
And you can see he's using very good.
10.
The next one here, you can see he measured 25 just then, allowed 1 millimetre for that lip. Now he's going to measure 10 for that lip, then give 1 millimetre, then 13 and so on. So he's now measuring 10 and we'll be leaving a bit of height for that 1 millimetre lip. So you can see he's measured from there to there and measured 10.
Yes.
And now 1 millimetre for the lip and so on. One turn only there, he's very precise because he needs to move this machine only 1 millimetre across.
Good. Good. Так,
13. 13. 13. So he uses a ruler to mark the position.
Good. Так. 5. 5 millimeters.
Yep. So he's now at this position. He's just measuring another 5 millimeters there, and I'll explain where he's up to. He's now reached the end of the cannon.
Not good angle. Yeah. What is finished? Yes.
Finish.
Да. Wow. Значит, after. Да? Oh, no problem. What is...
Okay, come around here please.
5 millimeters, yes?
Okay. So that width there is 5 millimeters. Across there at the first lip. So he's bringing the machine back to that first lip.
Так, сейчас попробуем что-нибудь сделать. Вот,
Must have many.
another blade for one operation, one blade, not universal. Да,
Okay, so you're saying one blade for each different operation rather than having one blade for everything.
No problem. It's
Very careful here.
нет. It's very thing. Yeah, I show.
Three. So he's grinding away that section after the first lip, and just checking to make sure he's got the right width that he reads from the plans. I make all cannons like this.
Так. And what is 5. What in this place? Yes.
Okay, now he's measuring the distance. He's measured that was 5, that's what we were dealing with. Now he's
Yes.
measuring that distance.
Oh, 7. What is, yes? Not 8, yeah?
7.7.
Yeah, yes.
7.7.
Yes.
That's at the back end of the next lip here. 7.7.
Our blade.
No good.
Not for
Not sharp.
this size.
And he's just,
Так,
he removes a
what
bit, control,
it's
check.
It's 8. Oh, very, very small. Yes. Good. Так. Так. Вот it's. Так. Next.
Now he's measuring the depth of the next lip.
8 and 4.
8.4. 8.4.
Good. Так. It's сейчас 8 and 6.
8.6 at the next lip. And so on.
Cut what it's.
And now he's cutting the remaining bits in the middle. Remember, he just cut around the lip and he's trimming the rest of the sections. Okay, now.
Вот мы control size, да, mate?
But Dr. Michael, how это? How?
Yes, I not professional. I made is not very good, and after I finish with my tools. Yes, no, I show.
Oh.
What it's a very difficult. It's konos. It's for professional. Да.
Maybe automatic here.
Oh, after my.
Yeah. Do you understand?
Understand? No, automatic. No.
I'm just asking him what he's done so far, and I'll just explain on the diagram is he's got the correct height there, the correct height there, the correct height there, and so on. The problem is he hasn't achieved that cone shape along here. All it is a series of jagged steps. That's all he's done. He's just explained that to get that diagonal edge, to get that diagonal edge rather than a stepping structure, which he's only done at the moment, is very difficult, and it's really the work of a professional. You can see here both his hands are working at the same time to try and get that cone shape. You can see they're both turning to try and get that cone shape in the cannon.
Yes. It's not very good, yes? What? It's... Oh, yes. What is?
And then he just finishes it off with hand tools to try and get the correct conus shape. Or suharik?
It's more easy.
Maybe suharik, Dr. Mishka.
No, suharik, no. Not perfectly suharik after suharik. No, I show.
Suharik this width. I reckon that would be a trick.
No.
You know what I mean? Huh? Like a sandpaper on a stick.
I didn't know you could sandpaper this.
We're just telling you that speed. Just to remove a minimal, absolutely minimal at the very end. You know what I mean? But he's saying no.
Yes. What is?
I don't think it's going to move those bumps. You see the bumps in there? Sandpaper, I don't think will move that.
Putting the file over it.
Yes?
Yeah, suhari, yeah. Eto. And now he's running a metal file over it. Now he's running some sort of chisel along it.
What it's more? Да, when I what it's yes? What it's?
Yeah.